What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SC Outdoors. Today I am out. It's a rainy, miserable day, about 38 degrees and rain. It's supposed to be consistent rain all day. Bigger waters were flooded, so I'm here at this small stream, sitting under the gate of my the back gate of my car, so that way I can do an intro. I imagine audio is going to be pretty rough today, so sorry about that. Hopefully, since it's a pine tree forest, it'll block some of the rain. But I really wanted to get out. Just sucks when you work 5 days a week. You only have a day or two to get out. But anyways, Hoffman Lure's a spinner company, and they make a couple other things as well. Wanted me to try out a couple of their lures, so that's what I'm going to try to do here today. It's not a paid promotion by any means, but they just approached me nice enough to send me some lures. I'm going to give them a shot. Gonna start off with their small spinner. It's a small stream, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But it's a small stream, so I figured a lighter spinner would be good. But I'm gonna try a couple things here today. We'll see if we can make something happen. Stay tuned. Oh dang! I just got bit. That was a brown for sure. He wasn't very big, but I saw him go broadside at least. That's a great sign. There we go. Fish on. Nice brown. Let's go. All right, so first fish of the day, beautiful brown. Awesome. So far, I'm digging this Hoffman spinner. Give you a quick look at it. It's small. I mean, this is like, I think, a 1/32 ounce, something like that. Really like it. Spins really well. And you can, with this small spinner, you can fit it into these tight little pockets. It's great. There we go. Ooh, it's a brookie. Nice. Ooh, did you see that? Fell off the hook and into the net. Love that. That's a beautiful fish too. It's nice fishing streams where you can get both. Beautiful brookie. Get in there. Awesome. It's number 2. All right, guys. Well, after that first couple fish, I'm pretty sure these spinners are going to do okay. Really like the spin to it. You don't have to reel very fast to spin them in, which is nice. But I did leave their link below to their website for Hoffman Lures. So feel free to check them out. It might be a good alternative for you. It may even be my next spring or a small stream spinner. You never know. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but just wanted to mention that. Well, you'd think there'd be a fish in here. There we go. Brown, he crushed it. Thought that was gonna end up being a 15-incher. There we go. Hook down. Another pretty wild brown. he is. He swiped on it twice. Can't, there it is. Can't find my net there. Awesome. Another little brown. That was so cool though. I saw him swipe twice on that. There he is, another beautiful brown. Look at those colors. There we go. Nice brown. Oh, there he goes. Popped off. Oh my gosh. It's a brookie. I was not even looking. Guys, I was not even looking. I was looking upstream to make my next cast, and I lifted up and it was heavy. I must have bit it right at the end there. Little brookie. Pretty fish. Love brook trout, man. They're so cool looking. This is my last hole too, so that's, well, maybe not last hole, maybe one more. But this is probably towards the end here. All right, guys, I am wrapping it up. It is pouring down raining. My hands are numb. But we caught a few fish. It was successful. Just wanted to mention, once again, huge shout out to Hoffman Lures for sending me those spinners. Didn't get around to trying some other stuff for them in too much depth yet, but I will. Anyways, just one more time, they're linked below. Feel free to check them out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this rainy, wet, cold video. Hopefully the audio was okay, and the audio is okay right now. But anyways, please subscribe if you did like it, and I will see you next time here on SC Outdoors.